Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add someone to your Asana workspace. So if you're looking to collaborate more efficiently or simply bring a new team member into your projects, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to invite anyone you need and know exactly how those invitations work, setting you up for smoother teamwork right away. Now, let's dive right in. The simplest and fastest method for inviting someone to your Asana workspace is by using what Asana calls the invite button. It's basically their quick invite feature. Whether you're bringing on a new colleague, a freelancer, or just someone from another department, this is where you start. First, once you're logged into Asana, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button with a plus icon labeled Create. This button is kind of your gateway for adding new stuff to your Asana, so not just tasks and projects, but also new people. Go ahead and click that plus icon. After you click, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll want to find and select the option that says Invite. This is Asana's way of streamlining the process, so you don't have to hunt around for any complicated settings or menus. Just invite, nice and simple. Now, you'll see a field where you can enter your colleague's email address. If you need to invite more than one person at once, you can type in multiple emails. Just separate them with a comma or add them one by one. This is super helpful, especially if you've got a whole new batch of teammates joining your project. Below the email field, there's a drop-down list where you choose exactly what part of your Asana workspace you want them to join. This could be a specific team, or maybe you just want them involved in a particular project. This step is actually pretty important, because it controls what they'll see when they log in. It's like handing someone a map that only shows the rooms they need to visit. For example, let's say you're working on marketing and development separately in your company. You can make sure people only get access to the relevant projects, keeping everything tidy and secure. Once you've set their email and chosen where you want them to land, you're almost done. Just double-check everything, especially the spelling of those email addresses. A simple typo can mean someone doesn't get an invite, and sometimes the smallest details slow us down. So take a second here. When you're ready, click the Send or Invite button at the bottom. Asana will now send an email invitation directly to the recipient. They'll get a link that lets them join your workspace or organization. And from there, they can immediately start collaborating with you on tasks and projects. If your teammate says they didn't get the email, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. Sometimes invites end up hiding there. And that's it. You've just added someone to your Asana workspace, making it easier to coordinate, share tasks, and keep everyone on the same page. Remember, collaborating works best when everyone's included and informed. So don't hesitate to invite those who need access. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Asana tip you want me to cover. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and helpful walkthroughs. See you in the next video.